Hello, art students. Today we are going to be making some Ukrainian art. We are going to be looking at an artist, Anatoly Krivolat, and we're also going to include some Petrykivka for our border going around our art. It should be a really fun lesson. We're going to learn a little bit about landscapes and how to draw flowers. Okay, so let's begin. So we're going to start today with our art materials. We're going to need markers, a pencil, eraser, your paper. Please use your heavyweight paper. And then also we're going to be using watercolor paint, and then we're going to be using watercolor paintbrush and water cup. All right, so to do this, we're going to start by drawing our flowers that go all around the outside of our paper. For example, let's do a big one to start out with, okay? We're gonna have a big round center of our flower here, kind of like a circle. And then you can go ahead and draw the many petals that go around that circle. Notice that I'm going around. There's a lot of petals on these flowers. So there's one. We can do some fancy stems that are maybe curvy, like this. So Petrykivka is actually a style of painting, but we're going to be doing some drawing of it instead. So once you have a flower on there, you can grab your markers and you can color it in as you go along. So I'm going to do, for mine, I'm going to do red petals, because I think I've noticed that there's a lot of red and yellow and orange even in the Petrykivka painting style. But yet again, I've also seen some cold color themes like blue and gray. So it's just kind of what inspires you to make yours. We'll go with that. So here I have a flower that has red petals, and on the inside we have yellow. And then I'm going to just give it a little bit of some orange in there. And then I will do my stem in green, my little leaves and foliage in green. Okay, and then I'm going to work my way around the outside here. So I'm going to put on here maybe some smaller flowers that are a little bit smaller. Maybe this one I'll do a little different. Maybe I'll do yellow on the outside and orange on the inside. And then maybe I'll use my red this time to do the polka dots. Just trying to change it up a little bit. And then we can have fun with a stem again. There we go. And I'm just going to continue adding some flowers and maybe planning out a border. Here's a stem, here's a stem, here's a stem. So this is kind of a technique where you can just kind of start with your stem, your wavy line, and then along the line you could add some flowers. Now you can do different flowers. You don't have to just do these kind of flowers. Maybe your flower looks a little different. Let's get some inspiration from another choice. Let's see here. This is kind of a cool flower. And actually there's even feathers. I'm looking at Petrykivka examples right now to act as inspiration, and you can do the same. I like these feathery plumes. I think these are actually feathers. Really ties into that countryside feeling that we're after. And then we'll add some more flowers in there. I like these flowers, how it's kind of like a heart shape. Or it's like there's two petals in one. Kind of cool. And I'm just gonna continue drawing some more flowers here. All right, and I'm gonna stop right here, and after I have my border all drawn out and all colored in with my markers, I'll show you what it looks like in the next video. I'll see you there.